So next one is permutation. Permutation has two things. So you have 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 factorial. Okay. Not 4 though, remember, 6 minus 4. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The bottom is 2 factorial, 2 times 4. So 360. Okay. 360 how 6 4 120 720. Okay. And permutation means you pick 4 people, like first, second, third, and fourth. The result matters. And combination means you pick 3 people, who is first, second, or third doesn't matter. That's the difference. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How many ways an IRS auditor selects 5 of 10 tax returns? Okay, so 5 of, so again, combination, it's going to be combination because order doesn't matter. 10 factorial. Okay. It's 5 factorial. That cancels. And 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So I cancel the 10 with the 5 and the 2. I can reduce the 4 and 8 to 2. And I can reduce the 3 and to 2. So you have 9 times 2 is 18. 7 times 2 is 14. So 14 times 18 is 252. Right?
Yeah, that one makes more sense. I see what you did there.
All of them should make sense. Which one doesn't make sense?
I think the first one just didn't make sense because I don't know how you went from 5 on the bottom at the end to 3, 2, 1.
Because the 3 factorial is 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so you're getting the 3, 2, 1 from that last number after.
Yeah.
All right, I'm following now. I think it should make more sense.
Yeah. What about the number 2? Did number 2 make sense or no?
Yeah, number 2 makes sense because you did 6 minus 4 and then you got 2. And then the 6 on top, you're just breaking down the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Ready to move on to the next one?
Yep.
A pollster wants to minimize the effect of order of the questions. Because the order is important. Okay.
So wouldn't it just be 8 times 7 times?
Yeah, so you pick, it's a permutation. You pick 8 out of 8 because you can pick all the questions. It's ordering differently. Okay. 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 factorial. Okay? Which is 8 factorial divided by 0 factorial. And 0 factorial is actually 1. Okay. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. You got to put that in the calculator and get your answer. Okay. Okay,
Oh,
did you get the number? I'm just doing the calculation.
times 7 times. 40,320.
Me too, yeah. 40,000. Okay, so these are the four answers. Any questions about this?
No, the fourth one is very easy. Makes
Okay.
sense.
Okay, all of them should be very easy. I want to make sure you understand all of them. Any questions on any of these?
Not really. I think
Okay.
as we go on, it's just gonna make more and
Okay,
more.
what you need to understand is permutation and combination has a difference. Permutation order is important and combination is not. Okay.
Yep.
And remember, combination has three things. C is the third letter, it has three things. Permutation has two things. Okay. So you
Got it.
don't forget it, because that's what I see students like switch them a lot, by mistake. And so you have to be careful. That's one way to remember it.
So the next one would be permutation as well, right?
The next one is this: how many ways? Straight line. If there are 8 people, yeah, the order is important. How many ways? Because first position, second position is different. So it'll be combination 8, 6. Okay. 6 factorial, 2 factorial. Can you finish it up? I want to see if you got the answer or not. I got the answer.
8/6. 2. Would it be? Would you have to subtract the 6 by the 2 to get 8
Yes.
over 2?
Yes, 8. Remember, there'll be 2 parts to it, so 6 and 2. Remember, the things at the bottom must add up to the top. Okay. Remember, 8 for number 1, 3 and 5 adds to 8. Now 2 and 6 adds to 8. Yes, it's like 6 winners and 2 eliminated. Okay.
So the next step, I shouldn't get 8/4, right?
No,
That's
definitely not. No.
Um. Would it be 4 minus 4?
It'll be 8 times 7 times 6, and you can stop because you have a 6 factorial here. Yeah. Then you have a 2 factorial is 2 times 1. 6 factorial cancels out. Okay. 6 factorial cancels, and then you reduce it. 2 and 8 is 4. That's 28. Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so let me try the next one. In a certain lottery, 5 different numbers inclusive draw these. So this would be 20p5, right? Or would it be 5p20?
Yeah, it'll be so the order is not important, is it? Or same order. Okay, so the order is important. So it's combination. 25, okay. Oh, sorry, permutation. Combination. The order is important. So that means if 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 5 factorial. Okay. 20 factorial over 15 factorial, which is 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 times 15. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And 15 factorial at the bottom cancels out. So put that in the calculator, see what you get.
$1,860,480.
Oops. Computer calculator didn't take it. 20. Five. Yeah, 186,0480. Okay. Any questions on these first 6?
So it's a P when the
But the order
doesn't
is
matter,
important, right?
but combination
Yeah.
is
OP post PO or post office. That's what I need to remember. P order. Okay. P goes with order. C doesn't. C has 3 different things. Yeah. P has
Mhm.
2 different things.
Got it.
Okay. Tourist in France wants to visit 12 different cities, having different routes. So routes are then the orders are important, right? The permutation 12, 12. So the 12 factorial minus 12 minus 12 factorial. It's 12 factorial over 0 factorial. When you have to pick all of them, you can pretty much do.
So it'd be
The
12
top.
times 11 times.
Yeah. 12 factorial, that's all you need to do.
All right,
Wow,
it's
big number.
a very big
Wow.
number. 46479001600.
That's right. Okay.
Yep.
Number 8, a company wants to hire a software engineer. Okay, so there are different things. Assistant, a sales rep. So that's 3 different things. Within sales position of software engineer. 2 for the okay, 2 for okay. Okay. The first one is first one is, well, they're going to pick one person, right? So one person is, it's a combination, pick 1 out of 5 times combination of 1 out of 2 times combination of 1 out of 4. Okay. Right? So actually it turns out to be 5. When you pick 1 only, you can pretty much write those numbers, right? It's 40. Okay. But you can work through the combination also to get the same answer. But when you pick 1, you can pretty much write the first number. Right?
All right, and if that one was let's say a 2 or a 3 or
Then
any
you have
other
to do the
number,
combination
yeah, you'd
work.
actually have to do the work. All right, that's the easiest one out of all of them.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's move on. License plates are made using 3 letters. Oh, this is the last page. Okay. Do number 9 here at the bottom. License plates are made using 3 letters followed by 3 digits. How many plates
So-
can be made with 3 letters? So you can just have three blocks for letters, 3 blocks for digits. So 3 letters, you could have 26 choices. 26 choices. 26 choices because same things allowed. Then the numbers, 3 digits could be 10 numbers, 10 numbers, 10 numbers. All right. So multiply them out. What you get? Okay, you get 1, 7, 6, 5,
76000.
7, 6, 0, 0, 0. There you go. Okay. On number 10, there are 8 members on board of directors. They must form a subcommittee of 6. 8 members, 6 members. How many? Okay. So order doesn't matter.
So it's 8C6.
6 and 8 minus 6 factorial, which is 8 factorial over 6 factorial, 2 factorial,
1
which is
factor.
8 times 7 times 6. And you can cancel the 6 with that. Of 2 times 1, so that reduces to 28.
All right, I think that's making a lot more sense than when we first started.